When you see me trying to fight for a piece of food on the ground and the sky, I, bird of the wings, do have my own problems. Try to compete with others in this jungle of many, with less to go on the ground. It's hard, and sometimes with age and the bigger challenges I face, the winds are against me, but I must fly. It's very hard to survive with many enemies around, but I must fly for the greater glory of my being alive. I must fly. I must fly. I look back to see if I haven't dropped the little bread I picked. There are many to feed, and I, being alone with aches and pains in my wings, I must fly up above to reach the glorious sky.